if we started this first dot, how many do I have to count up to get to the next dot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our rise is 6 over our run, which is
3.
6 divided by 3 is, so the slope was 2. Okay, on this one, if I start here, how many do I rise to get to the next point?
3.
Negative 3.
I'm going down 3, and then how many do I run?
4.
So it's a negative 3/4. Okay, on number 22, how many do I rise?
7.
And it's a positive or negative? It's going down, so it should be a negative 7. And then how many do you go over?
3.
Question.
No.
Okay. On 23, you needed to use the slope formula. What is the slope formula?
Oh, you have to like do the y2.
Oh, yeah, no.
Minus y1 over y2.
X2
minus x1.
Okay.
equals
So
something.
if this is my x1 and this is my y1, that means it says x2 and this is y2. Y2 would then be 7 minus 7 over 5 minus a negative 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. And then over what? Over 6. So what's your slope?
It'd be 0.
0 divided by anything is
0.
0. So my slope is 0. Let me ask you, if I was to draw a graph that had a slope of 0, what do you think it would look like?
It'd just be like on the.
It'd be what, Haley? It'd be flat, right? So what Haley means by flat is that I would have a line that would just go horizontal. Okay? So when you have a line that's increasing, that's a positive slope. When you have a line that's decreasing, you have a negative slope. And then when you have a horizontal line, you have a slope of 0. Okay? For this one, I use the same formula, x1, y1, x2, y2. My y2 is minus y1, x2, minus, okay, 0 minus 3. 1 minus 1.
0.
What's my slope this time?
Negative 0. 0.
Can you divide by 0?
I'm like, no. Yes.
Type negative 3 divided by 0 in your calculator.
You get negative 3.
0.
Bailey, stop learning. Grab a calculator. Type in negative 3 divided by 0. Dalton, grab a calculator.
Divide by 0 error. Yeah, it says that.
It says error, right? Can you divide by 0?
No.
No. Okay, because you can't split things into nothing groups.
Wait.
Okay? So what's our answer?
0.
No solution.
Well, this one gave us an answer of 0 because I can actually type in my calculator 0 divided by 6. It gives you 0. But when we type negative 3 divided by 0 into our calculator, we get syntax error. You can't just flip things.
Well, no, but just keep it like that.
No? Because that's not simplified.
You have to
No
switch it.
solution.
You have to switch
Keep
it. 3 minus 0.
You can't just flip things, guys. That doesn't work.
But that's what we did yesterday on that.
No.
Number 11.
No, it's not. We never just flip things around. That doesn't work. So if this one was 0 and it gave us a horizontal line, what do you think when we divide by 0 it's going to give us? A vertical line. Okay? You're going to get an answer that looks like this. Could you tell me what the slope of that is?
Yeah.
What?
0.
No, this one's 0. You told me that the slope of 0 is just a flat line. So what's the slope of that?
You can't
Is it going up?
No.
Is it going down?
No.
In between.
It also be
Diagonal.
0.
It's not 0. You said that 0 slope gives me a horizontal line. Can you define that slope? Can you tell me what it is? It's undefined. Okay, an easy way to think about this is if I have a slope. So when you think about slopes, I think about skiing. Okay, when you ski down slopes, right?
Yeah.
So if you have a line that's increasing, technically you could ski up it, right? You'd have to push yourself up the hill, right? But you could put skis on and you could push yourself up the hill with your sticks. It would take you forever, but you could do it. If you had a slope that was going downhill, you could just easily ski on down that, right? No problem. If you had one that was horizontal, again, you could push yourself across the snow, right? You could do it. I wouldn't want to. Can you ski down that?
Oh gosh, that would be fun.
You can't ski down that. So when you have a vertical line, it's undefined, and you can think about it as you can't ski down a vertical line. I could ski across a slope of 0. I have to push myself, but I could do it. Vertical lines have undefined because you cannot ski down them. That's an easy way to think about it. Questions on that now?
Maybe later.
Okay,
So what would that answer be?
undefined. Your slope is undefined. I can't tell you what it is. It's undefined. Okay, on 25. We can actually, hopefully we're going to get a number on this one. I again have x1 and y1, x2 and y2. My y2 is
0,
minus my y1
2,
over my x2
5,
minus my x1. 0 minus 2,
negative
5 minus 1. Can I simplify it?
yes,
By what?
2,
So I get negative 1/2. Okay, so I've already taught you something today. You can have a slope that has a number. You can have a slope that is 0. And you can also have a slope that is called undefined. Okay? All right, get out your assignment, which was those got it.